carrying cars. Woo! 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 This is so rare right now. Woo! 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 Guys, we're Railfanning Burlingame on the 7th, November 7th. Woo! Here comes Counselor 282. Woo! 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 901. Woohoo! So that means 4016's in the back, I think. No, 4015. Yeah, 4015's in the back. Yeah, guys, anyways, guys, yeah. Railfanning November 7th, 2016. To be honest, I never ever done November railfanning. Ever. Because I was so busy last November, so. Plus, I started my channel, like, uploading videos on December 17, 2015, so. Yeah, Caltrain 279 is coming with the Northbound Express. Should be coming. Woohoo! There goes 901 lady in Caltrain 282. I think 4015's at the back. 4015 should be at the back. Yep, 4015. Woohoo! Yep, December 3rd and 4th, guys. Christmas train's coming. We're going to be rail fanning Santa Clara with a lot of other rail fanners, guys. So, yeah, anyways, guys. See you. Wait, is 79 coming? Yeah, 70. Anyways, guys, see you next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes Scouts Train 279, the Express. Woo! Gallery cars. See you next week. Here goes Scout Train 3D6. Woo! Woo! 4024 at the back. Woohoo! Anyways, guys, see you next week. Woohoo! Here goes Scout Train 283. Woo! Woohoo! Woohoo! Guys, it's the new paper route for 4017. Woohoo! Yeah, guys, it's the new paper wrap for 4017. Woohoo! And guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here goes Scout Train 283 with 4017 lighting. Woohoo! Here comes Scout Train 284. Woohoo! Operation Lifesaver, so rare. I'm just joking, it's not rare. Operation Lifesaver 920. Woohoo! Yeah, I see that unit like every week, so it's not rare. Yeah, here comes Scout Train 284 with dim light. Woo! Woo! Yeah, guys, daylight savings time ended 2 days ago. Yep. And now we're back. So, yep. It's 7 o'clock on the dot when it's actually 8 o'clock. I'm still ahead. Yeah, here comes Scout Train 284 with the F4 leading. Let's see what number it is. Woo! 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 906 is leading. Woo! There goes cop train 284, guys. Woohoo! .4013's at the back. Woohoo! My second favorite gallery cab car. Anyways, guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Here comes cow train 385. Woo! Gallery cars. Woo! Guys, see you on the next video. Woohoo! Alright, guys, here comes cow train 288. Woo! 87 should be coming behind us. Yeah, the 87 should be coming. Anyways, here comes cow train 288 F40 leading. Woo! Woo! Here comes cow train 287. Bumper deer cars. Yeah, the Broadway local should be coming like in 10 minutes. Oh, you just dimmed its lights. That was awesome. Woo! Let's see what's leading this 287. Woo! Yeah, thank you guys for support, for watching my videos for almost a year. Wow. Yep. And for you guys that just tuned in and just subscribed to my channel, thank you. And don't forget to subscribe. Smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, guys. Woo! Here comes 87. Woo! Woo! $118. No, yeah, 118. No, 116. Woohoo! Here goes cow train 287. Woohoo! With 116 leading. Yeah, guys, it's 719. Woohoo! Woohoo! Guys, see you on next video. Woohoo! Guys, here comes the Broadway local with 1097 leading. Woo! 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 Alright guys, here comes the Mission Bay local with 1088 leading. Woo! Guys, it's going fast right now. Woo! 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 Was at the back, guys. Woohoo! 4 engines. Woohoo! Wow! You see that? Woohoo! Anyways, guys, see you on. Thank you for Railfanning Burlingame, and bye bye. Woohoo!